Stay tuned, guys. You're watching Trucker's Jukebox.
This 18-wheel is rolling heavy through the desert night. I've been driving all day, but I won't shut it down tonight.
I called me an Uber, and we're gonna go get some breakfast. How you doing, Uber driver?
Let's go, driver.
All right, there's my Uber driver.
Hi, everybody.
Hey,
it's a Chamber of Commerce with us.
Yeah.
We're here.
I sure ain't gonna complain about it, because I know winter's gonna come and we're gonna wish it was warm again. Free, who doesn't love free food? I love free food. You like free food? I love free food. Hey, this is twice I got to see you. I'm gonna give a big shout out with Jordan, right? To Jordan. She come and served our food, and she come behind me and scared me. What else did she do?
Kept talking about it.
Yeah, and we keep talking about her. She keeps coming back over here to our table. Yeah, be careful. We gotta be careful. She's right there. Now I got the camera on now.
Hi.
Poof! And just like that, you guys are back. Don just bought me dinner. We're just gonna say that's what you did. You bought me dinner, and we're at the petrol. He's gonna take me back over to the TA. But thank you, Don.
You're welcome, sir.
There he goes, guys. Say goodbye.
Give me that. Give me that. Hey, I want this. Give me that. 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 What you doing, girl?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are leaving the TA truck stop in Knoxville, Tennessee. Broke down. Looks like a tow truck is up here. Let's give them some room, folks. Look at there. It's a Freightliner that's going to be carrying a KW. I guess, yeah, we stay over there. I don't know if you guys ever took this 840. You actually hook up to it before you get to Nashville, and it dips down, it comes up, and of course you cross 24, 65, and it comes up west of Nashville. Now the reasoning for doing all that, because they said on the CB radio that there was an accident or something, and it was backed up. And I said, not this time. So I ended up taking 840. I went all the way around. It adds a little bit of mile to the ride, but at least I didn't have to deal with any of that. Right? Taking my 30-minute break, guys. I'm watching a YouTube video. Yep. What? We're taking a break. I did take the boys out, or the boy and girl out. Now I'm just watching.
What? What? Well, come on. Come on. Come on, Brenda.
Dang, man.
We're taking our break. Ow. What?
Oh, you guys.
What? There's nobody out there.
In the mirror, crying big old tears, and praying that I come back safe and soon. But your picture on my dash will help till I get back, and my shirt still holds a hint of your perfume. Oh, the farther that I go, the more I feel alone, driving this old truck away from you. Why I love the road, heaven only knows. You're a strong one to live with what I do. The miles between us disappear when I call you and I hear your voice on the other end, assuring me again that I'm really not that far if I'll just keep you in my heart till the next time we can touch. And miles between us can't stop love. I lay thinking in the sleeper, girl, how much I need you. You're my lover, you're my strength, my best friend. And I'll rest here for a while and dream about your smile, and wake up wishing my dream didn't end. But honey, I'll keep rolling on till the want-to's gone, and I finally park this big truck and stay home. But baby, till I do, this I promise you, I'll love you more with every mile I go. But miles between us disappear when I call you and I hear your voice on the other end, assuring me again that I'm really not that far if I'll just keep you in my heart till the next time we can touch. The miles between us can't stop love. No, I'm really not that far if I'll just keep you in my heart till the next time we can touch. Miles between us can't stop love.
Like I say, it looks like there's not a million trucks in the fuel island, but we'll get a better look.
US 65 North AR 107 North.
Therefore, we're not downtown, we're on I-40, but we are definitely in Little Rock.
In a quarter mile, keep to the right on I-40 West US 65 North AR 107 North.
Excuse me the way I look, I just woke up. So the hair is a little... But we're sitting in Russellville. We delivered our load. Matter of fact, we dropped our load last night at 12:30, and we just got pre-planned to pick up a load here at the same place, and that is going to Virginia. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I do definitely take the time to put these together for you. I don't know if you want to call it a show or just what, but come here. You want to say hi? Yeah, it's kind of hard to film when it's night. It really is, because, well, I don't have them extra super bright headlights, so you don't see, you can't see clearly. I mean, I can see going down the road, but the camera's not picking up the light as well as I can see. So what do you think of that? But it was a good day, and we ran hard and kept our nose to the grindstone and got our load delivered. So we're gonna get ready to go. I'm gonna get myself all straight here and comb my hair and put my hat on, put my lid on, and we're gonna check in. And I don't know, we got between now and 45 minutes after midnight on the 1st for our load, so we may have to sit here a little bit, but that's okay. Hey Jake, I see you on the camera. You're down there. You want to come here? You want to say hi too? Come on. Well, wait a minute. Come on. Come on. Oh, don't fall back. There we go. Now we got the gang here. Now we got the whole gang here, right? You guys like seeing the puppy doggies anyway. Yes, I know you do. I know you do. But anyway, with that being said, thank you for watching. We will definitely see you on the next one. There's going to be a video every day. Every day. So, it's right after this, we'll be showing you picking up our wagon here and getting ready to go. Front Royal, Virginia, which is right off 66. So it's a little more than 1,000 miles between here and there, but we can knock it off because we got till 1300 on the 2nd to get it there. So if they can get me loaded, well, I can't row anyway right now. I've still got 4 hours. I got up kind of early, so it's hard for me to sleep during the day. So I did definitely fall asleep. It was still dark out, right? So we definitely was able to get some sleep before the sun come up, and from that point, man, anything can wake me. But anyway, with that being said, we're out of here. Thank you for watching. Sorry again for the, I just woke up, so that's my excuse. But thank you for watching, and we will catch you on the next one. Later.